Today, you will learn how to print Word document with comments showing on the side. When you click on Print, you will see a preview of your document on the right side. This preview is very important because it shows exactly how your document will look when printed. If comments are already in your document, Word may show them automatically in this preview area, depending on your settings. Now look at the Settings section under the Printer selection. This is where the main control for printing options is located. Click on the drop-down menu that controls what you want to print. Here you will find an option called Print Markup. Make sure this option is turned on or checked. When Print Markup is enabled, Word will include comments, tracked changes, and other review information in your printed document. This means your document is ready to print with all feedback included. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.